Hey everyone, I just thought you might be interested in seeing our GHD Platinum gift set box I've got here. I thought we might do a little bit of an unboxing and show you what's inside. So first of all, the packaging is really beautiful with the rose gold and the black. Nice big box. And inside then looks like this. We've got the roll bag and of course the platinum. So take this out first. It's really nice. It's got domes, and then with the rose gold zip and the magnetic buttons as well with the rose gold feature there. And inside we have your GHD brush, really nice size, and then of course with the GHD there. Pop that there, and then we'll grab the platinum out. So there we have it. Also comes with the rubber heat protector case for when you've finished using your iron. So this one here is the Platinum Plus, top of the line GHD, your roll bag, and of course your hairbrush inside. Pretty fancy. I'm sure you'll enjoy yours.